Dear parents and sincere kids, I extend my warm greetings to all of you. In today's demonstration, we will be helping you by giving a comprehensive account of one of the features called Taskify in Eduletics. Taskify is one such aspect through which we create tasks for the learners and expect them to complete the given task and again upload it back using the same option. Let us now delve into it in detail. First of all, you need to log in as usual and find the option Taskify from the menu list. Once you click on Taskify, by default, all the tasks created so far or recently for a particular student will be visible to him or her. Next, at the top, you will find two tabs available. They are To Do tab and Done tab. The tasks that are recently created for you will be available under the To Do tab, and the task that you complete from your end will be available under the Done tab. Further, in the To Do tab, you may find tasks labeled as To Do or Overdue. The task labeled as To Do suggests that the time for completing it is not over yet and the student can further complete it before the time ends. Whereas the task labeled as overdue means the time limit for completing it is over and the student can no more access it. Without delay, the student must finish the task available in the to-do list. For this, he or she needs to click on the To Do tab. Once you click, the following page will appear where a child can see all the details related to the task, like when it was created, by whom it was created, and also the due date by which the child needs to complete it. After the task details, you will find an attachment related to the task, which is a must for every child to go through before he or she starts completing the task. For this, you need to click on attachment. Once you download, it will open, where you will be finding the message that the school has for the parents. Further, there are some important instructions for you related to the holiday homework. We expect our students to read all the instructions carefully before he or she attempts to finish the homework. Once you go through the attachment, the child is supposed to complete his or her task in a notebook or on loose sheets, whichever is applicable. Once the task is done, he or she needs to click the images of the task in proper sequence and form a PDF. Make sure that the size of the file does not exceed 10 MB. To make PDFs, you may use apps like MS Office, Adobe Scan, etc. Once the PDF is ready, name the file by writing your subject name, followed by your name and ID. To upload the PDF, you again need to access Taskify. Click on the To Do tab, where you will find option called Attach File. Once you click on it, a dialog box will appear where you need to click on Upload button, select your file and click OK. It may take some time for the file to be uploaded, and once it gets uploaded, the attachment will be visible in this area. Once you are assured that you have uploaded the correct file, you need to click on the option labeled as Mark as Done. Failing to do this, your task will remain incomplete as it will not be visible to the teacher. Further, once you click the option Mark as Done, the status, as you can see below, will change from pending to completed. The next feature, Last Action, explains that the task has been checked by the respective teacher and the comment will be visible in the last action area. Further, in the grade area, you will be able to see the marks like how much you have been awarded for your task. Following all these steps, you will be successful in uploading your assignments. Hope this presentation proves helpful to you.